If you're thinking about starting your own small manufacturing business from home, this video will give you 20 practical ideas that are easy to start and budget friendly. All of these can be done with simple tools and a small space at home. Let's begin with the first idea. Idea number 1, 3D printed phone stands. Phone stands are useful for people working from home or watching videos on their phones. You can use a basic 3D printer to create different designs and sizes. The material used is called filament, which is affordable and available in many colors. You can begin with simple models and later offer custom prints for offices or events. This business can run from a small table and doesn't require much space. The starting cost is around $1,200 to $2,000, including the printer and materials. Idea number 2, hand-poured essential oils. Essential oils are popular in skincare, wellness, and aromatherapy. You can make oils from herbs like lavender, mint, or eucalyptus by using a small distiller. These oils are packed in small glass bottles and sold individually or in sets. Many people prefer handmade oils because they trust small brands more than large companies. This business can be set up in a clean area, such as your kitchen. The startup cost is around $1,000 to $3,000, depending on how many types you want to produce. Idea number 3, clay jewelry sets. Clay jewelry is colorful, lightweight, and very popular, especially among younger customers. You can make earrings, pendants, or bracelet pieces using polymer clay and basic tools. The clay is baked in a regular home oven and then finished with paint or polish. You can offer themed sets such as floral, abstract, or seasonal designs. This business requires very little space and can be started on a table. The initial cost is between $300 and $800. Idea number 4, vinyl wall decals. Wall decals are decorative stickers used in homes, kids' rooms, offices, and event spaces. You can cut designs like quotes, shapes, or logos using a vinyl cutting machine. Custom decals are popular for weddings, birthdays, and interior decoration. You can sell them online or offer personalized designs to local customers. To start this business, you will need a vinyl cutter and a few rolls of vinyl sheets. The setup cost is around $1,500 to $2,500. Idea number 5, sustainable gift boxes. Eco-friendly gift boxes are becoming more popular every year. You can create themed boxes that include handmade soap, candles, snacks, or tea. The focus is on using natural products and recyclable packaging. These gift boxes are perfect for holidays, birthdays, or corporate gifts. You can offer different themes, such as wellness, thank you, or celebration boxes. The startup cost is around $2,000 to $4,000, depending on the variety of items you include. Idea number 6, clay home decor items. Clay is a flexible material that can be shaped into various home decor items. You can create candle holders, planters, trays, or wall art using air dry or oven baked clay. These products are popular because they feel handmade, artistic, and personal. You can sell them in sets or offer custom colors and styles. This business is easy to manage from a small space at home. The startup cost is usually between $500 and $1,200. Idea number 7, resin phone grips. Phone grips are small, round accessories attached to the back of phones for better handling. You can make custom grips using resin molds, colors, glitter, and small artwork pieces. These products sell well among teenagers and content creators. You can also offer personalized options with initials, names, or brand logos. This business can be run from a small table with very few tools. The starting cost is around $600 to $1,800. Idea number 8, mini concrete planters. Concrete planters are popular for both indoor and outdoor use. They are used for succulents, herbs, or decorative plants and add a modern look to spaces. You can create different shapes using silicone molds and small bags of cement. Once made, the planters can be painted, textured, or left in a natural finish. This business can be started on a balcony or in a garage. The startup cost is around $500 to $1,200. Idea number 9, eco-friendly incense sticks. Incense sticks are used in homes, spas, and meditation spaces for fragrance and relaxation. You can make them using natural powders, essential oils, and bamboo sticks. There is high demand for organic and chemical-free incense products. You can offer different scents like lavender, sandalwood, or lemongrass. This business needs a clean workspace and simple tools for mixing and drying. The starting cost is around $500 to $1,500. Idea number 10, embroidered patches. Embroidered patches are used on jackets, bags, uniforms, and hats. You can make them using a home embroidery machine or by outsourcing designs for stitching. Customers like patches with logos, symbols, names, or creative artwork. They are easy to package, store, and ship, which makes this business good for online selling. You can also take bulk orders from schools, clubs, or small clothing brands. The startup cost is around $800 to $2,000. Idea number 11, natural lip balms. Lip balm is a simple and popular product used by people of all ages. You can make it at home using natural ingredients like beeswax, coconut oil, and essential oils. Customers today are looking for organic and chemical-free lip care products. You can offer different flavors like mint, vanilla, or citrus, and even make tinted versions. The process is clean and safe, and all the ingredients are easy to find online. You can package them in small tins or tubes and sell them in sets or individually. This business fits well into a home kitchen or workspace. The startup cost is between $500 and $1,200, depending on how many batches you want to produce. Idea number 12, handmade candles. Candles are widely used for decoration, relaxation, and gift giving. You can make them at home using soy wax, fragrance oils, and glass jars or decorative tins. There is high demand for scented, themed, and eco-friendly candles. You can offer designs for holidays, romantic events, or even minimal lifestyle branding. Candle making tools are affordable and easy to store, and you can reuse many items with each batch. You can also experiment with colors, layering, and labels to create your signature style. These candles can be sold online, at craft markets, or even in gift shops. The startup cost usually ranges from $700 to $1,500. Idea number 13, customized t-shirts. Printed t-shirts are always in style and allow you to reach a wide audience. You can start this business with a heat press machine and vinyl sheets or transfer paper. Designs can focus on hobbies, funny quotes, niche communities, or even event-based themes. If you're good at design, you can build your own t-shirt brand around a specific look or message. You can also take custom orders from small businesses, schools, or events. There are many print-on-demand options too if you prefer not to keep inventory. This business is easy to scale as demand increases. The startup cost is usually between $1,000 and $2,500, including the press and initial materials. Idea number 14, pocket notebooks. Handmade pocket notebooks are useful for journaling, taking notes, or staying organized. You can design creative covers, bind pages yourself, and offer different styles like plain, ruled, or dotted. These notebooks are popular for students, writers, and anyone who likes to write by hand. You can also personalize them with names, colors, or quotes to make them special. The business doesn't require much space or equipment and can be run from a small table. You can sell themed sets, gift packs, or even eco-friendly options made from recycled paper. It's a great choice if you enjoy design and working with paper products. Startup costs are low, usually between $300 and $1,000. Idea number 15, paper seed cards. Paper seed cards are a unique and eco-friendly way to send messages. These cards are made from recycled paper that contains small flower or herb seeds. Once the card has been read, the recipient can plant it in soil and watch it grow. They are popular for weddings, holidays, and business promotions that want to leave a lasting impression. You can make them at home using a blender, paper pulp, water, and seed mixtures. Designs can include printed messages, handmade textures, or pressed flower art. This is a great business if you enjoy crafts and want to support sustainability. The startup cost is between $400 and $1,200, depending on the tools and materials you choose. Idea number 16, custom tote bags. Tote bags are reusable fabric bags used for shopping, work, or school. You can print simple designs, quotes, or artwork using a heat press or screen printing. They're popular among eco-conscious customers and are easy to customize. You can start with blank bags and a small printer setup at home. The startup cost is between $800 and $1,800. Idea number 17, decorative wall art prints. Wall prints are a simple way to enter the home decor market. You can design quotes, patterns, or abstract art using a computer and print them at home. These can be sold as framed pieces or digital downloads. They're easy to store and ship with low production costs. Startup cost is around $500 to $1,500. Idea number 19, scented wax melts. Wax melts are small blocks of scented wax used in burners. They're easier and safer than candles and very popular for home fragrance. You can create many scents and package them in boxes or gift sets. All you need is wax, molds, and oils. Startup cost is around $500 to $1,200. Idea number 20. Portable desk organizers. Desk organizers help keep workspaces clean and organized. You can make them from wood, acrylic, or cardboard with basic tools. These are useful for students, offices, or home setups. They're easy to design, store, and ship. Startup cost is between $700 and $1,800. So these were 20 small manufacturing business ideas that you can start from home. Most of them need a simple setup, small tools, and a budget between $500 and $5,000. If you choose the right idea and stay consistent, even a small start can grow into a full-time business. Let me know in the comments which idea you like the most or plan to try. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips and ideas.